Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me another day, another DIY. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I'll be sharing some more DIYs with you. They are super easy and affordable to recreate. So if you're crafty like me, keep on watching. I'm going to show you how to make this super cute pillow. You will need fabric. We'll cut a rectangle out of the fabric. The size is up to you. We'll also need extra fabric to make bunny ears. And some yarn to make a pom-pom. There are a ton of videos on YouTube to make pom-poms. The easiest way I found and that works for me is wrapping as much yarn as I can around my fingers, not too tight. Then you will tie a string in the middle to secure the pom-pom. Once you have your rectangle, your two identical ears, and a pom-pom, we will start by connecting the tail at the bottom, somewhere in the middle where you prefer. Then we're going to take the ears and pin them down, and they have to be a bit slanted. Then you will start to sew around. Don't forget to leave an opening to insert filling. Lastly, insert filling and close. It looks super cute. You can cut an oval shape instead of a rectangle to make it more of a bunny. And you can even go gray, any color. I went simple to match my home decor. For our second project, we'll be using a frame. Any frame will work. I will be using Canva for this project. You can use any program you have. In Canva, you will be printing out some typography. I'm going to be using this Hot Chick. We will be printing it out and placing entire frame. Super simple, fast, and easy. I suggest putting this one in the bathroom so you don't forget what a hot chick you are. For our third DIY, I wanted more of a modern and elegant look, so I got some eggs from the Dollar Tree. Some are from last year's Easter. I ended up painting them white first and then used gold paint to imitate marble. It's super simple to make. You need a fine brush. Place the paint in a brush, pressing lightly and slow. The thinner and thicker your lines are, you get a more realistic look. I suggest looking at marble pictures. After you're done painting and drawing, you can place them wherever you like. I decided to place mine inside a clear vase. Our last DIY is the easiest, but I still wanted to include it. Like our first DIY, we'll be making a smaller pom-pom. I found this kitchen towel from the Dollar Tree. It's a gorgeous mint color, which I thought was perfect for Easter. We'll be attaching the pom-pom to our towel. Try not to use this one. It's for decoration only. Make sure you tell the hubby, boyfriend, your grandpa. That's it. Hopefully you enjoyed all these super easy DIYs. Don't forget to stick around for more super easy, cute, and affordable DIYs. Thanks again for watching. See you on the next DIY.